Hey guys, me and my brother-in-law, we built this catamaran bait boat. We tested it here at a river close by, working finely. We had it hooked up on a fishing rod, so if the signal is lost, we don't lose the boat. The video quality is a little bit off, but hope you guys like it. That's my brother-in-law with the fishing rod, and here's a slideshow what we did from the beginning. Enjoy.